Hello and welcome to Finance 360 Auto Guide. I'll be showing you today how to update your stock. The purpose of updating stock is for recording any non-purchase stock changes. This include recording your initial stock and any damaged and or stolen stock. To start, open the application, then click on the menu button. Next, click on the product update button. Click on the plus button at the bottom right corner to add a new update. Please do not edit the product ID. This is automatically generated by the system and helps the system keep track of every entry. Next, click the product name and click new to add a new product. This will take you to a product entry menu. Enter the name of your product. In our case, our product is the 500-gram Dangote sugar. Next, click the product category and click new to add a new category. We strongly encourage you to use categories that don't overlap. For example, you can choose categories based on your product type or your product manufacturer. In our case, we only distribute sugar, but we distribute them from Dangote, Bua, and Flour Mill, Nigeria. And after much thought, we have decided to categorize our products by the manufacturers. Next, we enter the quantity we want to update by. If we are updating a reduction in the stock, we can click the minus to remove the numbers of products we want to reduce. But since we are updating an addition, we are typing the amount directly. We put our reasons for this update next. And finally, we put the unit cost of each of our cartons, which was 2,500 per carton. We click save to end our updates and click the sync button to force any remaining information to be updated on the database. Congratulations! With these simple steps, you've successfully updated your stock. Have a lovely day.